guys! Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Leia, and in this video, we will unbox and check out the Tecno Camon 18 Premier. So this is a smartphone with a stabilized gimbal camera. Effective nga ba? Let's find out. But before we get to that, here's a quick reminder to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Plus, stay till the very end of this one kasi may early pa Christmas kami sa inyo. Okay, buksan na natin. And the first thing we'll see is the phone itself, but we'll set it aside for now. There's the manual and warranty card. May pa-jelly case si Tecno. And underneath, there's the charging brick, the USB-C cable, and the SIM ejector tool. For a quick tour of the device, you have the power button / side-mounted fingerprint scanner and the volume rocker on the right. And I must say na tama lang yung placement, sakto siya even for people with small hands. The SIM tray that can hold 2 nano SIMs and a micro SD card on the left. You have the speaker, the 3.5mm jack, and the USB-C port at the bottom, and a mic on top. So ano nga ba yung key features ng smartphone na to? As mentioned earlier, you have the gimbal camera, which we'll definitely try out. There's an AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 120Hz. Meron siyang 33-watt fast charging, and the Helio G96 processor that's known for gaming. All for the low price of 15,990 pesos. But wait, there's more! If you pre-order, you get 1,000 pesos off, so 14,990 pesos na lang. O, diba? Okay, tama na home TV shopping. Can we just stop for a while and appreciate how nice this phone looks? I've used and reviewed a lot of smartphones on this channel, and I really like this one. First, because it has a matte finish, so you don't have to worry about fingerprints, although may jelly case naman siya sa box. And I really like the color. Alam ko naman subjective to, but what we got is the Vast Sky variant. Meron din siyang Ocean Moonlight, so mas dark blue siya or black almost. So, depende na lang talaga sa tao yon. Yung weight naman is sakto lang, as in, it's heavy enough na parang matibay yung feeling but not too heavy na mangangawit ka pag gamitin. So, if there's one thing that I would change, it's really that camera bump kasi hindi siya talaga nagpa-flat sa table pagka binaba mo, not even if you put on the jelly case. Moving on to the display. It has a 6.7-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 120Hz. Dati, akala ko yung refresh rate only matters to gamers, but I'm a non-gamer, but I really appreciate yung mabilis na refresh rate kasi ang smooth, ang suabe when you scroll, nakaka-spoil lang talaga, and that's something that we can enjoy on this smartphone. Very quickly, let's talk about the battery capacity of this smartphone. So it has a 4,750 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging. So that should be enough to last you the whole day if hindi ka naman heavy user. And charging from 0 to 100% takes around 1 hour. At least, that's what I've been hearing. The Tecno Camon 18 Premier runs on a MediaTek Helio G96 processor with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. It comes with iOS 8.0 based on Android 11, although the Tecno team mentioned that they're expecting an upgrade to Android 12 soon. So the processor is known for gaming, so let me know in the comments if you want Elle to do a gaming live stream on the device. And while we're at it, guys, do catch her every Friday nagla-live stream siya sa Facebook page namin dito sa Unbox. You know, I've heard some people say that Tecno Camon stands for camera on. Iba naman sabi, stands for camera monster. So whatever, let's get to the heart of the device, the cameras. You get a triple rear camera setup with a main one at 64 megapixels, a 12 megapixel ultra wide-angle camera with gimbal, and an 8 megapixel 60x hyper zoom. So this is a periscope telephoto lens. The selfie camera is at 32 megapixels. Now enough about the specs, let's check out the photos that we took using the device. Guys, this isn't a full review, but we're thinking of having a separate video focusing on the cameras of this phone. Ano, gusto nyo bang gawin namin yon? Let us know in the comments and let me know na rin kung anong tingin nyo sa photos based on what we've taken so far. But I think that we found the best use case for the 60x zoom. So that's Kato the cat. That's not his name, he's not our pet, but he hangs around a lot. So ngayon, model na rin namin siya para sa video na to. So here he is with the wide-angle camera, the main one, and the 5x optical zoom. But here is the money shot using the 60x zoom. Sobrang sabog niya dito. The smartphone is known for its gimbal. So, syempre, kailangan subukan natin yan. So, here's a video that we took. Tignan natin kung effective ba talaga siya. So, guys, I have to mention that this phone can shoot up to 2K. Sayang walang 4K. But if you want to use the ultra steady feature, then nakakap siya at 1080p. Again, guys, we'll have a dedicated video on the camera, so we'll test out the gimbal some more and see what it can really do. So guys, we're almost done with the video, but I want to recap to quickly tell you kung ano yung mga top features na for me, yung mga nagustuhan ko talaga sa smartphone na to. First is the design. It really matters to me. So the vast sky color, very nice. I really appreciate the display as well. It's AMOLED, tapos 120Hz yung refresh rate. I think that's a win. And then lastly are the cameras. I think they take pretty good photos. Again, the Tecno Camon 18 Premier is 15,990 pesos, but if you pre-order, you get 1,000 pesos off. So do visit their official store in Shopee. And of course, guys, you may already know that the Tecno Camon 18 is a series. So merong 18P and my regular Camon 18. So I'm not sure if we'll be able to get our hands on all of them, but fingers crossed. As promised, meron kaming early Christmas gift for you guys, and that's a smartphone from the Tecno Camon 18 series. So, ang catch, this is part 1 of 2 videos. So, para makasali, what you have to do is first, comment on this video, ano ba yung favorite feature nyo sa Tecno Camon 18 Premier. 2, catch the next video and nandun yung full mechanics. Good luck, guys! And that's it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and on Instagram. My name is Leia. Stay safe, happy, and healthy, everyone. Bye!